annyeonghaseyo, I am Jermaine and I am the one who brought them here in Manginasal. So we ordered their combo which has halo-halo and the regular pecho. So the halo-halo is still coming up. We still have to wait for 10 minutes. This is from Chesongin. 감사합니다. Yes. So this is Lorimel, Rowena, April, Sinin, and Wendelin. So the halo-halo is still coming up. We still have to wait for at least 10 minutes. So, Chesongwinim, 감사합니다. Ngan mo? Kaon. Mukbang. Lami, Rowena? April. The birthday girl yesterday. Wendelin and Lorimel. We're here at Mr. DIY because they want to play some stuffs. So, bitin. Okay, lomba. Okay. Okay. They were playing the toys here in Mr. DIY, but they will not buy it. They just went here to make. These are the toys that they're playing. So we're here at KTV together with Sinin, Rowena, Lorimel, April, and Wendelin with volunteer Jermaine because they want to try here in the KTV. So they here singing. Sinin is the one who's singing. Okay, so we just arrived and we have a remaining money which is 2,000. So we're gonna split it up into 5 students, 400 each, in total of 2K, and that is from Chesongwinim.
감사합니다.
Bye bye, 감사합니다.